Now, this illustration deals with structural metal. In accordance with NEC 250.104C as in car. First of all, let's review the note, please. The note states structural metal can be connected to any electrode per 250.104C1 through C5. Any of those electrodes there, it could be used to bond and ground in the structural metal. Now, what 250.104C pertains to is when the structural metal is not an electrode. Now, notice that structural metal, according to the call-out to the right at the very top, says structural metal must be effectively bonded in accordance with 250.104C. And then, of course, the metal, structural metal, if it's not an electrode in accordance with 250.52A2, and it's not. We're saying in 250.102C it's not. So notice at the very bottom, the structural steel is bonded over to the grounded bar in the service. If you had, for example, metal water piping as an electrode, which you do in this illustration, 250.52A1 states that, then I could also bond the steel to the water pipe. And that would be an acceptable way to do it. Now, what we're saying here, the steel does not have a 10-foot beam in the earth in accordance with 250.52A2, or the structural steel is not bonded into the concrete encased electrode. So it's not considered an electrode. So we're bonding it in accordance with 250.104C, and that's exactly what this figure is showing.